Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm just gonna show you how to change your shifting knob, because look what I got. Come here. This is a new one. Hold on, I just got it last night. See it? Looks pretty sick. Okay, let me I think it's really nice color. That's why I bought it. By the way, this is a Z3 97 Roadster. For those who like to drive a convertible, look, come over. Knob, shift. So all you gotta do is pull it. There we go. Come here. Can you check? But you gotta make sure, like, this thing doesn't move, and then so make sure to go all the way down, pop it, and boom, we got a new knob. Thank you so much.